Have you ever understood what someone said in English but didn't know how to reply? You just stood there smiling, thinking, what should I say?
Yes, that happens to so many people. They understand everything, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank.
Exactly. It's not about grammar, it's about confidence. Today we'll fix that. We'll talk about how to reply naturally in English when someone talks to you.
So, Ali, tell me this. Why do people understand English but still can't reply?
Good question. Most learners translate in their heads. They think in their own language first, then try to find English words. That takes time, and by the time they think of a reply, the moment's gone.
True, I've seen people freeze completely. So, what's the first step to fix that?
Start simple. Don't think about perfect grammar. Short replies are totally fine. It's like, I'm good, thanks, or that's nice. The goal is to respond quickly, not perfectly.
That makes sense, but sometimes people are scared they'll make mistakes.
That's normal. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. The key is to keep talking. When you reply confidently, people focus on your attitude, not your grammar.
So, confidence matters more than accuracy.
Exactly. Imagine someone says, Hi, how are you? And you say, I'm good. How about you? That's already enough to sound friendly and fluent.
Nice. What about when someone gives a compliment like, you speak English really well?
Most people get shy and say, No, no. But that's wrong. You should just say, Thank you. That means a lot. It shows you respect the compliment and feel confident.
I like that. So, short replies with a smile can make a big difference.
Exactly. English is about connection, not perfection. If you can reply politely and naturally, people will enjoy talking to you.
Okay, another one. What if you don't understand what someone said? What's the polite way to handle it?
Good one. Never say, What? That sounds rude. Say, Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Or I didn't catch that. It's polite and keeps the conversation going.
That's helpful. Many people get nervous when they don't understand something.
Exactly. But if you handle it politely, it's not a problem. Communication is about being respectful and confident, not being perfect.
So basically, the secret is reply quickly, stay calm, and don't overthink.
Perfect summary. And remember, the more you practice short replies, the faster your brain will start thinking in English.
So practice every day, even smally phrases.
Yes, talk to friends, talk to yourself, record your voice, anything. The more you speak, the easier it gets.
That's great advice. Any final message for our listeners?
Yes, don't wait to be perfect before you start speaking. Start speaking and you'll get better with every word.
I love that. All right, guys, that's all for today's episode.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this talk, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.
See you next time on the Easy English Talk.